Hello friends, today we will discuss how to make pictures very easily with artificial intelligence. Let us take an website. First go to Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome and type here magicstudio.com and enter. And here you see that powered by AI created by you. A magic wand for your pictures. Amazing. Create amazing product photos in minutes. Now try for free. Click here. Now create amazing product photos in minutes, not days. Try now 40 images for free, no credit card needed. Drop and drag or upload a picture. First of all, you have to upload a picture, right, in JPG or PNG form. Or can use any of these pictures. This is our Magic Studio app. Now try any of these. Suppose we want to try this picture, one of these photos to try. Suppose I want this picture, then continue with Google. Now we can use it here. Now you can use, suppose we are using this one. Now this is create product photos, right? Proceed with product image, create product photos. Yeah, here you have got create 4 photos here, right? Now position is this one. Let us take this one. Resize, rotate and position your product the way you would want. So you want this product to be placed in the generated scale, right? Now you see here, right? You can move this one as you like, right? Now you can use here that generate 4 photos. Right? Here you have generated 4 photos, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can download the photos, right? Or you can resize the product also, right? Now if we download this one, suppose we are downloading any of the photos, this one we are downloading, right? Let us, you can increase the size also, right? And now you can download the photos now, right? Or you can resize the product also, right? Or you can download any of these. Suppose if I want to download this photo, let's download. You have 36 product photos left in your free trial. upgrade to generate unlimited photos, product photos, right? Now we have seen how to download upgrade to canvas, unlimited products, no magic studio logo, download at high resolution, or you can take any one, right? In this way you can make a photo with this website. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.